It's out of my way. Damn, your phone records better than mine. Can I trade your phone for a week?
Nope. Psych.
I'll pay you.
How much?
I don't know.
$1,000 a week.
No.
Yeah.
Fuck no.
I have fun. 500?
$10 a week, but okay.
500.
$10.
20.
10.
30.
15.
100.
No.
Final offer, 62.
Just zoom in all the way.
Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. Today, I hope you saw my stupidity dog and my idiotic friend. Well, as you may know, dogs love peanut butter. So, if you guys ever get bored and you have a friend over and you have a jar full of peanut butter, this is what to do. Just watch how messy it gets, but the dog will get it up. You're such a mess, dog, you know? You're such a mess. You're just a mess. Remember, I do challenges, just leave them down below. Thanks.